Colleagues, good morning. It is no secret that in my 3+ decades in the political arena, I have fully subscribed to the philosophy of regional integration, especially within the OECS sub-region. Indeed, the OECS is replete with examples of the benefits of regional integration. Benefits which are amplified by the establishment of the OECS Commission as a unique construct geared towards building resilience and promoting growth and development in our sub-region. These benefits are further exemplified by the institutions established by the OECS for providing regional services in the areas of banking and currency, judiciary, pharmaceutical, procurement, civil aviation, and telecommunications. We have witnessed a noticeable change in efficiency, effectiveness, and cohesion since the establishment of these regional institutions. The change in impact, power, influence, and self-determination cannot be denied. Our countries have historically faced various developmental challenges, and today we are further confronted with concurrent and compounded crises. But even in the midst of this new normal that is still evolving, regional integration must remain a central policy objectives. We have no choice. Together, we are stronger. Given the devastating impacts of COVID-19 pandemic, volcanic activity, climate change, loss of biodiversity, environmental pollution and degradation, and the attendant socio-economic consequences, we are not to pursue any beggar thy neighbor policies that may benefit one country while putting others at risk. A wiser course of action would be to consolidate and deepen the regional integration movement as a means of adequately addressing the unrelenting economic, social, and environmental challenges and crises that threaten the advancement of the regional development. Some of the challenges not only affect our individual countries, but are interconnected with far-reaching consequences throughout the region. Therefore, we must go beyond national boundaries and seek regional solutions that will help further propel regional economic growth and development. Crises and emergencies, too, are often borderless. Hurricanes, volcanoes, sea level rise, coral bleaching, these are not constrained by geographic boundaries. Therefore, we have to be more courageous, creative, innovative in forging synergies at all levels. It is imperative, therefore, to connect the dots of the regional integration movement. Contrary to the belief of some, adopting a regional approach to development does that cause a loss of national sovereignty, but rather can be an enabler of regional resilience, growth, and development. I fully subscribe to the African proverb which states that if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. The journey to regional growth and development is filled with twists and turns. especially in this dispensation of perpetual crisis, our new normal. To succeed, we must journey together. Therefore, today, I challenge the OECS Commission to not only look at the deepening the integration of regional governmental architecture, but to pursue approaches that deepen the integration movement among the regional private sector, youth, and other non-state actors, who are also key stakeholders in the process of development. The vision must be a whole of societal approach. We must be creative and fearless in seeking out new opportunities for deepening regional integration, harnessing the power of technology to offer region-wide services, broadening the scope of labor mobility, and making the sub-region one marketplace where trade and services is seamless across borders, and the concept of an OECS citizen will be fully operationalized. I thank you.